Color red wooden. BrandChildren's factory. StyleModern. Upholstery fabric TypePolyurethane. Room TypeGame recreation room, classroom, library, study room, nursery. Seating capacity 3. Fun functional. Design a fun zone where kids and their friends are able to socialize, read, study, play video or board games, etc. All you need are some colorful pieces of furniture and decor like this value line sofa. Voila! Durable. This unit is constructed from durable, 5/8 inch thick, premium plywood panels with rounded corners for safety. The tough UV finish is scratch and stain resistant. Affordable, easy to assemble. Our budget-friendly value line units include clear instructions, tools and hardware for easy assembly. This is one job you will get done quickly and without any headaches. Vegan leather cushions. Sofa comes with a 2-inch thick cushions, 1 backrest and 1 seat pad. Made from soft vegan leather and durable foam, these cushions are easy to wipe clean. Also bleach water cleanable so spaces stay sparkling. Dimensions. Sofa measures 36 by 18 by 17 inches. Ages. All. Warranty. 2 years for the seat pad and backrest cushions and limited lifetime for the wooden sofa. Top reviews from the United States. Just as expected and feels sturdy. It took a while to arrive, a solid month or so, but I knew it would be delayed and I am learning patience. Feels solid and is good sized. Time will tell if it was durable enough for 9 toddlers.